how do I register a trademark in the US? We're a UK company. We're UK business and wish to register a trademark brand in the US. Boom. Simple.
Easy.
How do you do it?
Two ways. One, you just hire a U.S. attorney to file it for you here in the United States. If you're located in the United States, you might be able to just do it yourself too. But, essentially you would hire a U.S. attorney to file the trademark for you in the United States. If you have a trademark in the United Kingdom, depending on, the services and the goods that you sell in the United States, how similar they are to those in the United Kingdom, when the trademark was filed in the United Kingdom, you might choose to have a UK attorney file the trademark in the United States using the Madrid Protocol. I don't think there would be much benefit in that particular case. So I would probably just, break the link between the old UK trademark and the US trademark and just file a clean one in the United States. That's my recommendation typically.
And let's say there was, prior use in UK. Do you still mention that, or is it first use in the US?
First use in the United States.
Got it.
Yep.
There you go.
So yeah, your dates of use are going to be different, obviously, for the two countries.
Can you speak to the Madrid Protocol?
Yeah, Madrid Protocol is an international treaty that the United States and a couple hundred countries. So yeah, it's basically a harmonization between different aspects of trademark law around the world, but it allows you to take one application from one country and port it over to another country or block of countries. Okay. So it's really a nice way to take for U.S. clients who have larger ambitions abroad. We file in the United States. We take that registration application within the first 6 months, and port it to EU, UK, Japan, wherever, using the Madrid Protocol. And that's a much less expensive way of filing, that trademark, instead of filing it separately and having to hire counsel in all those different countries to file the trademark for you. You can have your US-based counsel file the trademark in those countries.